Alright, so here's the SnowMaster2000, and it's basically a homemade snow plow put on an old Scott tractor or lawn tractor. I'll show you this, show it to you in action, show you a little bit more what it did, how it came out. And this is for all the guys out there that I've looked at their videos and gotten some ideas. I angled the blade as opposed to, when I was first building it, couldn't really figure out what I had around here to swivel it with. And again, this is all like typical homemade stuff I had around the shop. The only most expensive thing is the chains I got, and those were like 50 bucks. But basically it plowed pretty good. I have a lift, an automatic lifter. Brings it up and down. I'm using a car's automatic window motor for that. And I've got a backup, which is a pulley system over here. And just in case that breaks down during a snowstorm, I can still get it up and down. I've got a latching mechanism where I take that, hook it up on here. So if I got to drive around a property with the blade up, I can just lock it up like that. And it's all, you know, scavenger hunt stuff from around the shop. This is an old F-150 case for a mirror. That's the motor mechanism from the window. Mounted it on some cross pieces over here. I have the cable going down. Did the pulley thing to reduce the weight. I guess the blade is a scrap treated 2x10, and then I got like a, I don't know, maybe an extension piece on the top that can come off. I can put a little higher piece on it if I want, of a 1x, I think it's a 1x6, 1x8, something like that. So basically, motor mechanism lifts it, drops it down, and that's about it. I got some stills, and I'll talk more about doing it, but I do want to tell the guys that I appreciate all their videos they put out there, gave me some ideas. I put it on a permanent angle and worked fine last night. We had a small, wet snowstorm. It was my first trial at it, and worked good. I had some flashing around here. I put it on the front. Bottom angle piece is, and it's all bed rail stuff. Bottom angle piece is a bed rail with a little different bottom to it. It has like a 45, and it rides up on the snow and ice, so worked pretty good. Alright, I'll go back to the rest of the video and some of the other stills. Oh, and I didn't want to, I guess, cut into the tractor too much, so everything is really just kind of bolted on and attached on. Through a rear light, pretty bright light for backing up on it. Used one of these holes here for the on-off switch for that, and that's basically it. This is a rusty piece of angle iron, and I put it in a bath of vinegar in this one, let it stay for about a week, and came out, washed it with water, threw some oil on it, and I'm ready to cut and work with it. Been doing this now for a while on tools and rusted bolts, and this is the line of demarcation, and it comes out nice. Pieces of angle iron. I just capped off the bottom of a 3-inch PVC pipe, and I run some pieces in there. I have some aluminum wire holding it, and I just dip it. And any long tools, long pieces of angle iron, I just put in there and do it. Other ones I just put in bins. And sometimes I wire brush it off after it comes out. Sometimes I won't, but it works out good. It's not done yet, but getting closer. It's the lift motor on the front. Well, here's the driveway I'd be plowing. Normally we keep our cars over here to the left. Coming down here from the shop, from the garage. And it's about 125 to 140 feet long. And it drops down about 5 feet to the road down there. So, and my intent is to push the snow over here to the right. And we'll see what happens.